Hi guys, today we are going to learn about HLOOKUP function in Excel. We want to find the respective values for price, available quantity and ID for the selected product in cell B10. So this is how we want our search results. In cell C10 we want price of the product. In cell D10 we want available quantity and in cell E10 we want ID of the product. And we want to search data in the table that has product name, product ID, available quantity and price. To find the price of the product in cell B10, we use the HLOOKUP function as follows. The first argument of the HLOOKUP function is the cell B10 which contains the product name we want to search for. The next argument is the table range we want to get our data from. The third argument is the row number where our price exists. In this table the price is in the fourth row and the last argument is 0 for an exact match. Press enter and we have our price for clothes from the table. Similarly, we will get the value for the quantity available and the product ID using the HLOOKUP function. Our search system is ready. Now we can test it. If we enter perfume in cell B10, the values for perfume will be automatically populated in the table. And in the same way, values for glasses are automatically updated. So this is how the lookup function works in Excel. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such tutorials.